We can't have these gangbangers out on the street shooting up the streets and then laughing at us getting out on bail a day or 2 days later.
That's Ontario Premier Doug Ford living in the world that I like to call reality when it comes to dealing with the very real problem of guns and gangs in this country. And whether we're talking about Alberta's Premier, Jason Kenney, Saskatchewan's Scott Moe, or Ontario's Doug Ford, these are men that are living in reality. They want bail reform, just like Toronto Mayor John Tory does and Toronto Police Chief Mark Saunders does. They want bail reform, they want judicial reform, they want to put bad guys away for committing crimes with guns. Here's the strange part, and it's something that I talked to Ford about, but let me refresh your memory on what Justin Trudeau wants to do. He wants to bring in a buyback of guns. Justin Trudeau actually wants to spend twice as much on buying back guns from legal licensed gun owners, guns not used in crimes, than he's willing to spend on, well, fighting guns and gangs, stopping guns at the border. Here's what he said during the election.
Here's what we will do to end gun violence. We will ban military-style assault rifles and start a buyback program for all military-grade weapons that were legally purchased.
So he promised $312 million to combat guns and gangs. He's promising $600 million to buy back more than 250,000 rifles that aren't used in crimes. On what planet does that make sense? When I was sitting down with Ontario Premier Doug Ford for a year-end interview, I said to them, what could you do with $600 million, or at least Ontario's part of it, to combat the very real issue of guns and gangs?
$600 million can go to so many different areas, into communities, into more education, into childcare, into affordable housing, affordable ownership.
You know, Liberals love to talk about how it's not just about locking people up. It's about all kinds of issues. It's got to be multifaceted. It's got to be social programs and judicial reform. Well, they won't do the judicial reform. They're not going to fund the social programs, but they are going to spend the money buying back your guns. And here's Doug Ford, the nasty Conservative Premier of Ontario, saying it doesn't make sense. Spend the money on issues and areas where it will have an impact. I think he makes a lot more sense than our Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Share this on Facebook, on Twitter. Email it to your Aunt Martha. Do whatever you can to spread the word.